welcome back to the AAA MF YouTube channel. Today we are in Long Beach in New York and we are here to film this incredible Maserati MC20 with the ARIA kit. Now the history behind this is my friend Peter, who I've now known for a couple of years. He had an MC20 on order. He didn't think it looked aggressive enough, so he decided to build a carbon fiber kit for this car, which I think transforms the look of the car. So we're going to walk around and show you what the upgrades are. If you like it, you can order one of these kits. There's only 25 in total available, and they've already sold out most of them. So let's walk around the car and show you the parts. So we're in the middle of filming, and as always, something happens, and we have the police department. 19 bikes have turned up. Let's have a look at this. Are you doing training?
Doing training.
Training.
They're training to be motor officers. We have state police here, Long Beach, Nassau County, and state police.
Thank you. So he said that 8 of these guys have never ridden a motorcycle until 1 week ago. That's why one of them just dropped one. Let's go back to filming. So the company is called 7 Design because there are 7 parts to the ARIA kit. The first part is this lovely front spoiler, which makes it look much more aggressive than a standard MC20. Then you've got these bonnet vents, which look beautiful, and they are finished so exquisitely. Then you've got the side skirts, which give the car much wider presence. The roof scoop, which actually doesn't work as a roof scoop, but it does help with aerodynamics. Then you have this rear ducktail spoiler, which looks very similar to the spoiler on the Porsche Spyder RS, with this huge extended spoiler on the back. And then you have the rear diffuser. So it's been a long time since I've driven a Maserati MC20. The first time I drove one, the car was brand new and only had 50 kilometers on it, so I couldn't really open up the car, but I've been able to open up this car today, and I have to tell you, it is rapid. Now what's really nice about this car, it's got the carbon fiber tub, and it feels really controlled and stiff, and the steering is super sharp. Absolutely amazing steering. Now I'm not driving it that hard, but Peter took me out earlier and took some corners completely flat at some very fast speeds, and the car was unbelievable. So composed through the corners. What's really nice about the car is that it has 3 settings: GT, Sport and Corsa. And even if you're in GT or Sport, you can press the bumpy road setting, which softens the suspension even more. So you can really drive this car in any setting that you want. You can drive it hard or soft. And the different settings not only change the suspension, but they change the power output and the weight of the steering, which is really nice. Now, this kit that Peter has designed has 7 parts to it, which is why the company is called 7 Design. And it's called ARIA because that was the name of his late dog that he had passed away, and he wanted to put a tribute to the dog, and he put all his effort into this when he lost his dog. So that's a tribute to his dog. That's why it's called ARIA, if you were wondering. Now the 7 parts to the ARIA kit help to give this car 800 pounds of downforce. That compares to 300 pounds of downforce for the standard car, which is a huge difference. So you would definitely feel that on the track. You can't feel that unless the car is going above 80 miles per hour. So you would really feel the difference if you're going on the track. Now, I think that this car looks absolutely sensational with this kit on, but some people don't like the full kit. I went to a car meet yesterday in Long Island, and there was a guy with a Maserati MC20 who only had the rear ducktail spoiler, which looked really good. So you can chop and choose bits of the kit that you want, or you can have the whole kit. And you can have it in any color that you want as well. So there is a silver carbon fiber one floating around Miami at the moment. And if you go to 7 Designs Instagram page, you'll see that car, which looks pretty spectacular. He's actually got two kits, V1 and V2. This is the V1, there's only 25 available for each, and he's got the V2 on the silver carbon car in Miami. I mean, wow. It feels so nice. As well as the 7-piece ARIA kit, you can also buy a stage 2 exhaust upgrade, which does two things. It increases the power by about 30 brake horsepower, and it also makes the car sound a lot better than stock. So we've driven this car for a while now. I'm gonna head back to base, give you my final thoughts. So I spent quite a lot of time in this car today. What a fabulous car. My final thoughts. I think that this kit looks absolutely sensational and transforms this from a supercar to a hypercar. I can't think of many hypercars that look as good as this, especially with the beautiful blue carbon weave. Personally, I think if I was buying a Maserati MC20, I would go for the convertible, the cello version, because I think having the roof off adds another dimension to the car. Even with the stage 2 exhaust, it's not as loud as something like a 765 LT Spider or a GT4 RS. However, that's something that is personal taste, and some people don't like loud exhaust, some do. Personally, I'd prefer it to be louder than this, and I would look at doing an aftermarket exhaust. But apart from that, I think that the car and this package is unbelievable. I love it. I'm so glad I got to see it in person, because Peter's been sending me photos of this car for a while, and it really doesn't do it justice. So that I hope that I've done this car justice by bringing this video to you. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, press the notification button, and if you want one of these kits, get in touch with Peter.